All right, new day, new video. Got this thing done, basically. Got these things welded in. So basically now, like, you can watch the whole car move. So that's about as sturdy as it's gonna get. So basically, I got the plates underneath it. Got these bars welded up. I just need to, clean these up a little bit. I am gonna get all new hardware just because I want it to be looking good. Wrinkle black everything. Wrinkle black. I'm gonna take it all apart. Wrinkle black everything, and then it'll look good. Got it installed here. So basically, all you need to do is 2 14s or 4 14s and 2 11s. Boom, 11, 14. And this whole thing comes down. All right, so there you have it. Precision engineering. Now I'm only missing this thing that goes like right here. Boom. But now I'm gonna unbolt everything. And you can see on the back here where I got all those welds. Stitched it. So basically right here I'd go alternate. Got a couple stitch welds right there. Grade 8 hardware. Welded this plate to these. So it's basically a frame underneath here, which makes it nice and stiff. And it also serves as a weight plate because this thing probably weighs, 10 pounds. Whatever, 10 pounds. I could always bolt weight underneath here, so I'm pretty proud of it. It came out really good. So now what I'm gonna do is sound down all these edges, just make it look presentable. Take this thing and basically get all those nibs off. Get a sander in there and just smooth everything out. Get everything ready for paint. Take it all apart, and then I'm gonna paint it wrinkle. Also right in here, right in there, I'm gonna repaint them black, so it'll just be fresh. Got these parts in here. Nice and painted. It's wrinkle black, so it's gonna take a while, but they'll get nice and wrinkly. It's already starting to kind of get wrinkly, but it's really cold out, so it's gonna take a long time. Finally got the coolant system hooked up and it looks beast. So from right here, we got an elbow going into a Moroso 1 1/4 inch water neck. And then I went to Advanced Auto Zone and picked out a line that was 1 1/4 inch that was gonna be basically a bend and then down. So basically this one did that. It just had a slight curve in it. Cut it to fit. Hose clamp. Down here, basically I used the original hose, which I'm gonna have to pad right through here so it doesn't rub itself raw or rub itself open. Driving it. And then down there I went to the metal supply store and bought a 1 1/4 outer diameter aluminum tube, and then I measured it out, cut it to the size that I needed, which was 9.5 inches, and then I cut the original hose up here and then used that section that I cut off to join those two down there. So now I have to go get more coolant, fill it up with coolant, start it, make sure the fans turn on, and then we're gravy. cold temperature. That fan's on, that fan's not. All right, guys. So she's done. Got the piping on. Got it extended 4 inches. Goes up through there. Comes up through there. Bada bing, bada boop. Gonna have to do like a zip tie, but this is all good. It's all good. Got this thing fixed, tightened up, re-taped so it doesn't leak. Now I'm just gonna have my roommate help me bleed the clutch, and then tomorrow at 7 a.m. we got alignment. So the next clip is gonna be me at the alignment.
Let's go.